I just want to keep everything from him until I'm ready. I'm not ready yet.
Me say fi hurry up. Hurry up. Get ready fi drop. Hey, Lily girl, why you hurry up and have that little picnic there, no? For me want have one grand picnic for myself. My own a grand picnic for me blood. Hey, I know that me not love Mildred grand picnic them, you know. No think so. But me can't manage them sometime. Them damn bad. Oi, me no want hear Mildred repeat say, she hear say, me say, her grand picnic them bad, you know. For me I don't know where it come from.
Well, your secret is safe with me if my secret is safe with you.
Who ya? Blackmail?
Who you tell?
Oh, me? Me ain't say nothing to Bubbles. No, I want dream me that work out for Bubbles. And me that tell her, hey, me ain't call your name, you know. Me ain't call your name.
Daddy, please not say nothing to nobody else.
No worry yourself, daughter. Your secret is safe with me. If my secret safe with you.
Oh, blackmail.
Hey, Lily girl. Suppose I want Lily boy have. Him have to go come and ground with me, you know. If I'm have to go land for plant the beetle. And say if I want Lily girl, she have to go turn to the kitchen with Mildred and learn to cook the beetle.
Daddy, calm down. Calm down. Me go raise my pitney. No offense, I love you and Auntie Mildred, but I'm gonna raise him or her.
Well, no offense. Who know how to raise picnic? Who not talk about? Who knew that nowadays picnic no know how to raise picnic? Hey, you see the little picnic there when you're in Destiny? I mean learn him how to bat up and catch, you know. I mean learn him how to stock and pull. Where who know? All who have our old phone, who just dung in. Who don't know they same thing there?
So daddy, you teach her how to do bat up and catch, but that waiting career arm?
You can bat up and catch? You can stock and pull?
Yes.
You can 1, 2, 3 red light? You can do the same thing there? You can look up in the moon and see your shadow and look down pan ground and see it again? You can Simon Says? You can do them same thing there? You can half scotch?
Let me know when you're done. We'll continue. Yes, we can do all of them something there.
So where you going to teach your picnic say? You're not going to teach your picnic one caca.
Oh, and that's the next thing. You are going to teach my pit. Going to teach my pit about caca.
So what? You know got caca? Everybody got caca. You got caca, me got caca. Every smarty got caca. Oh, no chat caca.
Alright, daddy. Alright. This one. We can come up with a compromise. Hear me out.
Yeah.
You and Auntie Mildred can come physically, baby. But can supervise it.
Compromise. Supervise. So who going to supervise me? You? Who me? Fair supervise?
Daddy, we can pick up back the conversation here when the baby actually gets here.
And me want the picnic papa for the day too. For him trust me with Destiny. So me don't know how come you come go like me a new nigga.
New nigga? No, me know where I get my extraness from.
Yes, me extra. For me I go turn grandpapa for the first time. Come here, me feel the good. Hold on there. He start karate here, yeah? He start king papa lick.
So I don't know when I gas versus when I baby. It's my first time too. Daddy, don't tell me. I don't want to know if it's a boy or a girl. Whatever it is, I want it to be a surprise. Please do not ruin it for me.
Well, that means I must be on my way then. I don't want to overstay my welcome. Alright? But, Lily girl, Me want to talk to you, father to daughter.
So we were that all this time.
That was daughter to father. Now this must be father to daughter. You see, Patricia, life is a journey. And you see, in life, when you're on that journey, there's a whole heap of things will come your way. You will buck up in a success, you will buck up in a failure, and sometimes when we buck up in the failure, we get disheartened. But understand, say it is like a hopscotch. You hop yourself, you skip yourself, you turn yourself, you hop over yourself, you kick so you have to learn to turn up. Because it's when you buck up in the huggle them, when you jump over, you trip sometime, you have to learn to gather the strength, to get up and go. For once you're not dead, there is life. You hear me, Patricia?
Daddy, that was all over the place, but that was nice. You know, at first me genuinely just want to run, come okay up.
Then me not turn up your same way. Oh Lord. You know me love you.
I know I love you too. You take some time, but here we are.
Alright, you can let go me now.
I don't want to go up.
Yeah, but Mildred, you got to take away everything from Mildred. Mildred wants home too, you know.